All right, so we're about to go on the swamp tour right now. Yeah.
I'll tell you a little bit about the boat. The boat has been Coast Guard approved. There's life jackets located below the seats for easy access. Great blue heron.
Oh, they are in this zebra.
Yeah.
That's the largest of the herons. That type of bird right there is the main predator to baby alligators. These alligators, when they hatch and they come out the egg, that's when they lead them. Great blue heron. The animals are protected back here. No one's allowed to hunt the alligators. No one's allowed to hunt the water moccasin, which you might know is a cottonmouth, that same snake. Copperhead Texas coral and an eastern coral. Diamondback rattler, pygmy rattler, and timber rattler. A coral snake is almost venomous. They claim if you get bit by a coral snake, you have about an hour to get to the hospital. We're about an hour and 10 minutes away. And when you get to the hospital, you have to wait another 6 hours. Best snake to me is the devil, and I don't like snakes. The snake comes on this boat this evening, I'm going off. This captain doesn't go down this ship. You're going to follow me, something happens. I'm going to be the first one off. Some of the trees you're looking at back here, the ones that lean over the canal with long, slender leaves on them are willow trees. There's silver maples, tupelo gum, sweet gum, hackberry trees, cypress trees, oak trees. And I'm going to show you some cypress trees. Now when y'all stick those cameras and phones over those rails, make sure you hold on to them. Control the population of them. Each year, dish out around 35,000 tags for the state of Louisiana. You allow 1 gator per tag. The bigger the gator you get, the more money you make. They usually get anywhere from about $10 to $20 a foot when they hunt these alligators. According to Wildlife and Fisheries, the average size alligator killed during hunting season last year in Louisiana is 7.5 feet in length. That's the average size kill. You're always trying to kill big ones. The only reason why I'm telling you that number is so you can keep that in mind when you watch those reality TV shows like Swamp People on the History Channel. Swamp People exaggerates. The way they make those gators look bigger, they hunt them in little boats. Is how they get them look bigger. They hunt them in about an 18-foot long boat. You put an 8-foot gator in an 18-foot long boat, he's gonna look huge. You put that same 8-foot gator in this deck right here, he's gonna look small. This boat's 38 feet long but 12 foot wide. Makes a big difference. Here's an alligator. Looks like one about 100 yards in front of us. That's a little blue heron. That little white bird out there on the left, that's a juvenile. That bird's gonna turn solid blue when he gets older. He's almost identical to an egret. That's a little blue heron, that bird. The alligator's right here in the rain. You get $10 to put them in.
It's not gonna drop. Put your hand in there. I'll find out.
From the orchard. You can't get now feed them.
She's about 5.5, 6 feet like this. And this is her mama. She's had some babies in my years of driving a boat. You're only gonna find her in this area. This is her territory. They're very territorial. That's how I keep track of these things. I do not know if she got babies right now. If she does, I haven't seen them. Right now, she's hoping that that's that broken rail you're leaning on. I'm willing to bet y'all would walk on water if that rail broke. I don't think I'd even get wet.
It looks like a healthy
6 feet.
Well, that's
See the back leg? How it's missing the back leg? Look at the back leg.
Yeah, the back leg.
Back leg.
No, get up over to you.
probably.
Both purple.
Sometimes some
No good for lunch. Only no
It's like she just has like a nub on the
Males are your bigger ones. It's internal. They're hard as sexual organs. You have to examine them to determine the sex. If you measure from the tip of their snout to the eyes, every inch is 1 foot. So I'm saying it's 9 inches from the tip of his snout to his eyes. That's going to put him at 9 feet in length. You measure 12 inches and he's 12 feet in length. It's very accurate. The gator will pull any white-tailed deer off one of his banks to give you an idea how much power he's got. You reach down there and you grab him by his snout, he can't get his mouth open. You put a piece of tape around his mouth, he can't get his mouth open. They have very little opening power. Anything holds their mouth shut. When he shuts his mouth, it's going to crush a turtle shell by biting down.
You know what? You scared of it?
No, see 30.
Yeah, see too.
Yannick, you scared?
It's right there.
Have you ever seen any babies out here?
Actually, I saw some. You're almost committed suicide. Yeah, I was watching a limited date film back here, Wild Boys. They filmed a Kia commercial, scenes of Blackwater, Jonah Hex, Django Unchained, Beautiful Creatures, Hatchet. That's some of the recent ones. Plantation scenes that was shot back there. There's a road right behind our office back by the dock. They built a cabin down that road. And that's the scene. Before they turned, swimming on the right side, whenever we passed this canal up a few minutes ago, I saw it swimming. That's the largest bird that we have down here, one flying over us, one making a noise up there. The gator was swimming right in the rain, you see it. He might have went around this turn coming up. When I first saw him, he was swimming in this area. It's about a 7 foot if you can find him.
Yeah, smell it rolling himself like me.
Raw.
Remind me, you them from Prosper, isn't it?
Yeah, if the sun would have been out, they would have all been up on a base of logs. It's a cloudy day today, so they're going to be in the water. You may see one on the thing. Most of them are going to be in the water. You need the sun to come out. I don't know where they gator went.
Yeah, like poor.
Just swampling as well.
You know, so that's some decent shuttles. Never landed in their trade.
They were like they're just a floating head, right?
They see this boat 4 times a day, 7 days a week since 1990. They kill us about this boat. They know we're not gonna hurt them. Crocodiles have the V-shaped snout. It's a longer, narrower snout. Alligators have the U-shaped snout. It's a wider and broader snout. Those crocodiles are aggressive. These alligators are not aggressive. And when a crocodile shuts his mouth, his teeth will stick out top and bottom. And when the alligator shuts his mouth, he's got the overbite. Top teeth overlap the bottom teeth. You can't see the bottom teeth of an alligator when they shut their mouth. Those crocodiles in Australia, Africa, and in the Philippines, they get about 20 feet left. They're a lot larger than alligators. Alligators get 14, 15 feet left. According to Wildlife and Fisheries, the largest alligator on record with proof was in Alabama. It was 15 feet, 9 inches. That's the largest one with proof. Florida state records, 14 feet, 3 inches. So keep that in mind when you watch this swamp people. And keep that in mind, you see all videos those gators walk on golf courses. They're smaller than 14 feet. Most state records is right over 14 feet left.
Chili.
Que se le mete el agua, mata la copa. Me acuerdo que se llama
One of the highest was brought in here for the Wallen's World's Fair. They were giving it out to people putting in ponds. Now we can't get rid of it. Wildlife and Fisheries come back here and spray this plant. It just chokes up the waterways, takes over the waterways. Those lilies are bad to this area. That's his flower, that purple flower.
Smell all the good blood here.
You see one of the boats to this There's an alligator out there to your left, sitting up there by those lilies. There's one just sitting out here. He's not coming, he's just sitting out there. The largest freshwater turtle in North America. They'll get 200-300 pounds, live 200-300.
It's on the one size compared to
That's bubbles.
Focus. This is Keegan,
I want to start working on way in.
Louisiana.
I got one more announcement to make. I want to wish Derek a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thanks, man.
1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday.
Oh, wait, wait, wait.
All right, guys. So the swamp tour was a nice little experience. a little bit different, you know, from what we used to. But, you know,
Imagine if
it was fun. It was fun.
Something like this up on your
Exactly.
course.
Right?
Yeah, real
So now we go head back to the Airbnb and get some rest charge with the phone and look some food later.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.